structure now for India today.
The United States has decided to not give emergency use authorization to Bharat Biotech's COVID vaccine, Covaxin. But is this a setback or is there more to it? Sneha Mordani with this report.
Covaxin, India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, will not be used in the US, at least for now. The immediate reason? Covaxin has not been granted emergency use authorization sought in the US by American pharmaceutical company Ocugen on behalf of Bharat Biotech. So if you are a recipient of Covaxin, do not panic. The rejection isn't a reason for alarm. The US Food and Drug Administration says they do not have enough data just yet to grant emergency use authorization, and that the company should pursue a full license, a process that's going to take time and involve additional clinical trials. The hitch, therefore, is purely procedural. The makers of Covaxin, one of India's largest exporters of vaccine, are certain this is not a setback. Bharat Biotech says the US FDA had earlier communicated that no emergency use authorization would be approved for new COVID-19 vaccines. Our US partner, Ocugen, has received a recommendation from the FDA to pursue Biologics License Applications, a BLA path for Covaxin, which is full approval.
हर देश का रेगुलेटरी सिस्टम अपना कुछ चीज़ें कॉमन हो सकती हैं बाकियों के साथ, कुछ अलग हो सकता है, उनकी अपनी पैरामीटर्स हैं, हम उसकी इज्जत करते हैं.
The hurdle, though, comes weeks after Covaxin was praised by US's top pandemic expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci.
We have the troublesome India 617. Next slide. People who received the vaccine used in India, the Covaxin, and it was found to neutralize the 617 variant. So despite the real difficulty that we're seeing in India, vaccination could be a very, very important antidote against this.
Consider the following. The US has never issued emergency use authorization to an Indian vaccine ever. This for a vaccine that has received authorization from 14 countries, with more than 50 countries in the process. The powerful world of pharma and the enormous profits to be made also mean that the US pharma giants call the shots on which candidates are permitted entry into their territories. All this adds to other challenges ahead for Covaxin. Covaxin is still working towards pre-qualification from the World Health Organization needed for global acceptability and to be part of the COVAX initiative, especially in an age of vaccine passports.
अली कोविशील्ड मेंशन किया तो हो सकता है कुछ भ्रांति ये आ गई हो कि कोवैक्सीन का क्या होगा. वी आर ऑल एंगेज विद WHO तो समझने के लिए उनके गाइडेंस में टेक्निकल सपोर्ट के लिए कि क्या वैक्सीन की बेस्ड ऑन एलिजिबल अवेलेबल एविडेंस वो इसको वैक्सीन पासपोर्ट के कॉन्सेप्ट को स्टेबलाइज करके इशू करना चाहिए.
Bharat Biotech has said that no vaccine ever developed in India has gotten approval in the US, but they hope that Covaxin gets this sort of an approval. Whatever the case may be, it's clear that the roads for Covaxin will only open up and there will be more takers for this vaccine once the phase 3 efficacy data is out. The government of India says that is expected in a week's time. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
Coming up next.